Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the best deck to use in Arena 9 in Clash Royale to help you climb trophies faster. Let's get started. So today's deck is the Arena 9 Goblin Giant Double Prince deck, one of the strongest beatdown deck right now with 3.5 average elixir cost. Your main win condition is the Goblin Giant. He tanks damage while his spare goblins chip the tower from behind. Pair him with Prince or Dark Prince to create insane pressure. Prince deals with a massive single target damage and destroys tanks, while Dark Prince provide splash damage to clear swarms, so together they are deadly. On defense, use bats and goblin gang to distract and chip down enemy troops, while spare goblin to keep your cycle fast. Your spell combo of Fireball and Zap is super reliable. Fireball handles glass cannons and big pushes, while Zap reset infernos and clear swarms. What makes this deck is so powerful is the synergy. Goblin giant tanks, the princess strike hard and cheap support keeps your ahead in elixir. It is a strong on offense and solid on defense, perfect for Arena 9. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.